Your employee engagement results are in. Now leadership wants to know how your company compares to the competition. What if you could give them more than a simple report of industry benchmarks? What if you could give your leaders the insights they need to make informed decisions about how to improve your employer brand? Imagine your survey results show that work-life balance is one of the leading drivers of engagement at your company. Then you see that your competitors scored much higher on work-life balance than you did. Now you have a compelling case to share with leadership about which initiatives will help make the biggest impact, so you can help your company attract and retain the best people. Covering the entire employee lifecycle, including onboarding, engagement, and exit, Culturiam's benchmarks give you the comparative insights you need with a single click. With dozens of industries, including tech, hospitality, and retail, Culturiam's benchmarks help you compare your company to those most like your own. Get even more specific and filter by geography or team. Culturiam's benchmarks meet rigorous statistical standards with up-to-date data from some of the world's best employers, not paid panelists or other unreliable sources, so you can trust that the benchmarks are truly guiding towards becoming a world-class employer. Internal benchmarks let you compare departments and track your progress over time. Help managers see what they're doing well and how they can improve. Ready to give your leadership team decision quality data? Then it's time to try Culturiam. Visit the link in the description to watch the demo video and see how Culturiam will help you develop your company culture.